Welcome to Build the Future again. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe so that you can get all new videos that will be uploaded in this channel. Alright, today we are going to proceed to information P, whereby we will be discussing again the interest on fixed deposits that need to be recorded in the income statement. Alright, so again, I'm still going to remind you that this information you are going to get it from the trial balance under the balance sheet account section. Alright, again, this one you'll find it in the trial balance under the nominal account section. The interest that is given. This is the interest that was received during the financial year. Trial balance again under the nominal account section. Okay, let us read the information that is given to us. They are saying the outstanding interest on fixed deposit must be taken into account, meaning now we know that there is an outstanding interest that needs to be added in our income statement, or the interest on fixed deposit that is short, or the accrued income, if you like. Okay, so now let us continue with our information. They are saying the fixed deposit was invested on the 1st June 2015. The interest on fixed deposit is not capitalized. Okay, now the financial year end for this business is ending on the 28th February 2016. Okay, now let's take the year where the business invested, the month where the business invested 220,000, the fixed deposit. Okay, so the business, they said they invested on the 1st June 2015. So let's go straight to the 1st June. So this is our 1st June. 1st June. I'll use a different color here. So this is our 1st June from here up to the end. Alright. So now let's calculate how many months that we are supposed to receive the interest for. So this is the first month, because they said on the 1st June 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 months. So we are supposed to receive the interest for 9 months, because the investment took place on the 1st June during the year 2015. Okay, let me write this year here. Okay, now the year is ending on 2016, and then meaning it started on 2015. Alright, so in order for us to calculate this interest that is outstanding, we need to calculate the total interest that was supposed to be recorded or received by the business. So we are going to take the total amount of fixed deposit from our trial balance, or this information that is given to us, and then we are going to say times 8.5 divided by 100, and then we are going to consider the months. How many months? We have 9 months over 12. So let us do this calculation and find how much are we getting. Alright, we're going to say 220,000 times 8.5 divided by 100, and then again we say times 9 over 12. So meaning the business was supposed to receive an interest of 14,025 rand. So this is the interest that was supposed to be received by the business. Therefore, this is the total that was supposed to be received by the business. So how do we record this transaction in our income statement? Now let us say we're preparing the income statement. We are going to write the interest on fixed deposit. We are going to write it in full. Alright, so you open bracket, and then I'm going to close the bracket again, and then I'm going to write this total. This is our total, the amount that was supposed to be received for 9 months. Now, how much that was received during the financial year? Let's go back to our information. This is the amount that was received during the financial year, 9,350. So now we need to calculate the outstanding amount, on an accrued income that need to be added here in order to get 14,000 in order to get 14,025 rand. Alright, so we are going to say 14,025 rand and subtract the amount that was received during the financial year so that we can get the outstanding amount. So we say minus 9,050. So the outstanding balance or outstanding interest was supposed to be 4,675. So this is the outstanding interest that was not received during the financial year. So we are going to add this amount here as an accrued income. 4,675. Okay, that's it. That is how we calculate the interest on fixed deposit when we are giving such information. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to meet in the next video.